Age range description, all life stages. Included components, pet clipper attachment comb set. Top reviews from the United States. Well-made replacement combs. This is one of those items that is probably not on top of most people's shopping list, mainly because a full set of these combs is standard when you buy most Wahl clipper models. So you only need them if you lost or broke your original set. I did the former. They are one of a whole list of things that went missing in a recent move. First off, I'm glad that Wahl sells them as a kit, and for only about $12 it's not even worth considering buying them individually. These are genuine Wahl replacement combs. The country of origin isn't listed, but they give the impression they might be made in the USA. The quality is good and they fit perfectly. Remember that these are only guide combs, they don't have to be super strong. I like that they are made from a semi-flexible rather than brittle plastic, so they can bend a slight amount without cracking. These are just what I needed to keep my wonderful Wahl Pro lithium clipper working for me as it should.